Absolutely not.
What? But I thought
Go
we
change.
could
No.
a little
No.
matching moment?
No. Go change. Absolutely not.
Fine, I'll let you win this one.
Better.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Autumn, and I'm going to 6th grade this year.
I bet you didn't know SHEIN has so many things to help you get prepared to go back to school, including lunch boxes.
I found a ton of stuff on SHEIN that makes packing my lunch a lot easier for my mom.
We ordered a ton of different lunchbox options from SHEIN to show you guys there's truly something for everyone, and we want to show you some of them. Okay, so first we're gonna start with this little thermos. It just has a little twist off top, insulated. Wow.
It's very warm.
And look, also reusable silverware options because shout out to the environment. Look at that. Oh, there's cute little chopsticks in there. Okay, show us the best part. Fun. For the days that I like to pack Autumn a sandwich, I absolutely love this cute little sandwich container. Do you want to give us a live demonstration, baby?
So you just open it from the bottom. So much cuter than a plastic bag.
And then this one is a really fun take on a bento box. But wait, there's more.
There is where you put your lunch, and then you have all your silverware. And then
Oh my
you can
gosh.
just put a little salad or whatever you want at the bottom.
I love it because when it's fully assembled like this, it actually looks like a little sushi roll. So this one's more of like a classic bento box. It's got your organized compartments. I would probably put like a wrap here or a sandwich depending on what you wanted that day. And like a fruit and maybe like a little cookie or some fruit snacks in this compartment. And the top, I love that it has this compartment attached to it for your reusable silverware. Of course, you have your spoon, fork, your butter knife, and obviously chopsticks because life is just more fun with chopsticks.
Oh yeah, I would definitely pack this if I was packing my own lunch.
So we saved the best for last. We're actually gonna pack a live lunch with you guys. And we're gonna use this container, open it up, and it's got this fun little compartment.
I would definitely put like fruit at the top, and then of course if we're packing a salad, we have the dressing compartment.
And then the inside is just open. So you could do a sandwich, but we're gonna do a salad today. So we have our lettuce and our carrots.
I have oranges, apples, and grapes.
And this one, we have the fun stuff. We've got some chips, cookies, nuts, and granola bars. Or should we leave the fun stuff for last?
Yes.
Okay, we'll leave
So
the best.
put our little compartment on top.
Okay.
And what do you think we should do in these?
I think we should fill the big one with fruit.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the fun stuff.
Do you think we should do a mix of stuff? Maybe
It's your lunch,
cookies?
baby. Perfect. Okay, that looks good to me. I'm happy with that. Oh my gosh, we almost forgot the salad dressing.
Cannot forget the dressing, the most important part.
Would you still eat it if you didn't have the dressing?
Probably not.
Okay, you hold it. Okay, cute. How do we feel?
And you successfully packed my lunch.
And there we go. There's Autumn's lunch. Oh my gosh, and I have to show you guys the cutest lunch bag. It's this cute little canvas bag.
This front compartment is perfect for putting silverware in and whatever else. And now we can just put my lunchbox in.
And the inside is insulated, so it'll keep your lunch hot or cold, whichever.
And I love that there's cute little drawstrings on this bag just to make sure nothing falls out.
Okay, I hope we gave you guys some good ideas with products from SHEIN. Now you have to get to shopping. Go on, get out of here.
No, really.
Get shopping. See ya.